In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PST file in Outlook. A PST file is a personal Outlook data file. It's a single file that can store your emails, calendar items, contacts, tasks, and more. It's especially useful when you're moving data from one computer to another or restoring old mail archives. Before we begin, there's an important compatibility note. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows or Outlook on the web, you can't open a .pst file directly there. To bring that data into your account, you first need to use the classic Outlook desktop client or a third-party migration tool. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it with Classic Outlook. Start by opening the Classic Outlook desktop app on your Windows PC. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner and select the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can manage accounts and data. From the left-hand menu, choose Open and Export. This section is designed for bringing data into Outlook or saving it out. Next, click Open Outlook Data File. A file picker window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your .pst file is stored, select it, and choose OK. If you're not sure where the file is, a common default location is the Documents folder inside a subfolder called Outlook Files. Your file may also be on your desktop or another custom directory if you saved or exported it there previously. If the .pst is password protected, Outlook will prompt you for that password before proceeding. For very large files, give Outlook a moment to attach and index the data. When the process finishes, you'll see the PST appear in the folder pane on the left. It usually shows up as Outlook data file, though it may display a custom name if one was set before. Expand it to browse the inbox, sent items, and any custom folders inside. You can read messages, search within that data, and reference calendar and contacts that are stored in the file. If you want, you can right-click the top of the data file and rename it to something more descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. A couple of quick tips: if you don't see the File tab or the Open and Export option, you're likely in the new Outlook experience. Switch back to the classic Outlook desktop app to attach a PST. Also, for best stability, keep the PST on a local drive rather than a network location. That's it. You've successfully added a PST file in Outlook and can now access your archived mail and other items whenever you need them.